Hello everyone, today we're going to install Windows XP on Windows 10. So let's begin. So let's double click on VMware Workstation. And then what we're going to do is we're going to click on create a new virtual machine. Alright, we're going to leave it as the recommended, typical, and click next. I don't have a CD, but I have an ISO, right? So I'm going to browse through my secondary hard drive and load up the ISO. Then what I'm going to do is click on next. Now, there's going to require me to put a Windows product key. So right here, I'm going to just put a product key. And the password is going to be like 123 ABC. 123 ABC. I made the password very simple so I can remember when to log in and log out of the operating system. So I'm going to click on next. So I'm going to leave the virtual machine name as it is. I prefer it like that. It's actually pretty good. And the location, I'm going to leave it as the default. Feel free to change the location if you want. I'm going to click next. I'm going to leave it at 40. That's actually pretty good. And I'm going to do everything, store the virtual disk as a single file. This, if you leave it here, is going to just split the files in smaller pieces, but I prefer this one. And then just to make sure everything it is good, everything looks fine. If you want to, you can customize, you can click on here, and this will give you a list of things you want to modify. Like if you want to increase the memory, you can put up to 2, 3, whatever gigs of whatever preference. You can change the processors on this. You can put like 1 to 8, whatever you want on your machine. Pretty cool. You can add a lot of things onto this. And click finish. All right. Windows is finished installing. Let me just install the VMware drivers. Okay, let me just close half of this. It's probably installed. There you go. It's gonna start installing the VMware tools. So what the VMware tools setup is pretty much a pretty cool tool. It's gonna just install some basic drivers so that this black parts here, you'll be able to scale it, make it into a bigger resolution. Right. So pretty much these are the core drivers to allow the virtual machine to work. Let me just type in the password. 2, 3. C. There you go. Let me just put this up here. Beautiful. I feel very nostalgic watching this desktop. Either way. So this is how you install Windows XP on Windows 10. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace.